In finance, sustainability is often reduced to just a few numbers.
But in order to navigate in a complex and changing dynamic environment, investors need to understand the nuances underlying the numbers.
Without that, sustainable finance risks becoming more promise than action. At Matter, we develop solutions that help investors navigate this complexity.
Our job here at Matter is to gather information from a variety of data sources, structure all of that information, and make it available to investors in an intuitive fashion.
This is what is required if sustainable finance is to move beyond simple truths and headlines.
Over the course of the last 7 years, Matter has evolved from being a one person in a dorm room somewhere in Copenhagen to now being an international company with 40 colleagues from 14 different nationalities.
On our analytics platform, investors can benchmark their sustainability performance across 700 different metrics against market indices and deep dive into specific issuer profiles to understand exactly how single investments or entire strategies perform on a wide array of different sustainability themes.
Granularity and transparency in data for us means that for any metric or methodology, being able to drill down and unpack and understand what are the data points leading into this, where do they come from, how have they been treated. And this includes being able to show that for each data point, whether this is coming from a third-party expert, which is often reflective of expertise in a given subject matter, or coming straight from company reports which we gather ourselves. And this is what builds trust in our data.
We envision a world where investors can get answers to any sustainability-related questions they may have about any company at any given point in time, and integrate that in whichever way they see fit into their own processes.